Hello guys, you're all welcome to today's video. In the previous video, I did a little analysis on DXY and Euro USD. Okay, I actually did a higher time frame analysis on DXY and Euro USD where I explained how the SMT divergence was supposed to cause a little retracement then continuation of the trade. Okay, but if you want to get more insight on the what's it called on the video, you can actually go back and actually like go through it, watch it, and actually understand what I was trying to point out there. So today we are going to be handling GBPUSD. We are going to be doing a little analysis on GBPUSD, and as always, I am going to start from the weekly time frame. Okay, so what do we have here? First, I would like to point your attention to this order block here. This weekly order block here. It's a bullish order block. Okay, and price is approaching that bullish order block. All right. Now let's scale to the daily time frame. Just like I did in the previous video, we are going to be only focusing on the higher time frame, the weekly and the daily. Okay. Then in subsequent videos, I'm going to be making analysis on lower time frame. But for now, let us just focus on our higher time frame POIs and our higher time frame draw on liquidity. On DXY, on Euro USD, and on GBPUSD. Now we're handling GBPUSD. Now let us scale to the daily time frame. Okay. That order block that I marked out on the weekly time frame, I'm going to okay, let's make it a bit clearer here. Let us minimize it here on the daily time frame to get a very clear POI. Okay, on the daily time frame, you can actually see a very clear bullish order block right here. This particular one here. So that's the one I want to pay attention to this current moment. Okay, so that is where my focus is at this current moment. I'm expecting for price to reach for this daily bullish order block. Okay, then you can actually have a compressive move into this order block. So price can either give us some sort of like this kind of move, something like this. It might move in a very compressive or slow manner into the zone. Okay, then you can actually have a bearish continuation down below here. Okay, as this bullish order block causes price to push up into this zone. Okay, this is one of the zones I am paying attention to. Then the second zone I would want to be paying attention to is this. Okay, but anyway, I would not be looking forward for price to reach as far as that. I'm not saying price can't do that, but this is where my focus is in GBPUSD. Okay, if this is being broken, then we can actually anticipate for price to move a little higher into this particular supply zone or bearish order block. But for now, this is actually this is the idea I favor currently on GU. Okay, then now the question is, what is my draw on liquidity on GU? Like I did on Euro USD and DXY, I gave my draw on liquidity for those two pairs. I gave my draw on liquidity for DXY, I gave my draw on liquidity for Euro USD. But for GBPUSD, this is actually what I am looking for. I'm looking for price to go below this level and subsequently below this level here. Okay, I would like us to pay more attention to this particular level, 1.23124 level here on GBPUSD. That is the draw on liquidity, and that is the area I'm looking for on GBPUSD. For now, let us actually look at what price has done in the past and how I actually arrived at those two POIs. Okay, now let us pay attention to what I'm going to show you here. Okay, now let us see this zone. You can actually see how price reacted to it. That was a demand zone, a bullish order block. You can see how price clearly reacted from that zone. Okay, and went up here. Then price got to this bearish order block, then gave us a down move. I currently have an open trade from this order block right here, and I'm still holding. Okay, I'm still holding this trade down here. Okay, I'm still holding this trade, and I'm really anticipating for price to go into this bullish order block right here. Okay, then give us an entry at this other block or at this other block, but I will favor this idea more. Okay, or favor this. So that is something I would like you guys to watch out for now. Okay, then as price moves, we are actually going to do some modification on the analysis as price gives us more information. So that's all for today, guys. Trade safe, and I will be dropping more videos that will actually guide you on how you can actually like follow up with the markets as it moves. Have a wonderful day, guys.